welcome to online class. Now we have to continue the lesson, our state Karnataka. In previous class we had to learn about the origin of our state Karnataka, name of the state, origin of our state Karnataka. Okay. Now we have to learn about the geographical location of our Karnataka. Karnataka is one of the states that was situated in a southern part of India. Okay. So it was situated in a southern part of India. Look at here. It is in a southern part. So it was situated in a southern part of India, and it also situated in a western central part of peninsular India. You already know that India is a peninsula. It was covered by three sides of water and one side of land. Here Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. So it was three sides of water and one side of land will be there. So the Karnataka was situated in a peninsula of India. So the Karnataka is situated in a western central part of peninsular India. Okay. And here now the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Karnataka. Here the latitudinal extent is 11.31 degree north to 18.45 degree north latitude. It is a latitudinal extent of Karnataka. And the longitudinal extent is 74.12 to 78.40 east latitude. It is a latitudinal and longitudinal extent of our state Karnataka. Okay, and here the Karnataka state length is, it will be 750 km from north to south. Okay, and here the northern tip of our state, that is Aurad in Bidar district, and it will be stretched from Aurad in Bidar district to Chamarajanagar in the south. Okay, it is the length of Karnataka from north to south is 750 km. From west to east, its width is 400 km. From here, there is a Karwar in Uttar Kannada district to Mulbaglu Taluk in Kolar district. Here, it will be extend from west to east. Here, Karwar in Uttar Kannada is the western end, and Mulbaglu Taluk in Kolar district is the eastern end of our state. Okay, so it is in a latitudinal, longitudinal extent, and its length and width of our state Karnataka. Okay, understand? And here the shape of our state Karnataka is a cashew nut. Cashew nut is the shape of our state Karnataka. Okay, and here the total geographical area of our state is 1,91,791 square kilometer. It is a total geographical area of our Karnataka. According to the census of 2011, the total population of Karnataka is 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704. India has a geographically, it is the 8th largest state in India, and in a population it has got the 9th position. And in total geographical area of India, the area of Karnataka is 5.83%. 5.83% of geographical area was occupied by Karnataka in Indian map. Okay, and here in Karnataka, here they are present, there the 30 districts are there, and 176 taluks are there, 747 hoblis are there, 347 towns are there, 27,481 villages are there in our state Karnataka. Okay, and here in our state Karnataka, here in the north of Karnataka, the Maharashtra state will be situated. Maharashtra. In the east, here Andhra Pradesh will be there. In the south and southeast direction, Tamil Nadu will be there. In the southwest direction, Kerala will be there. In the western part, Arabian Sea will be there. In the northwestern, here Goa will be there. So they are the major land and water frontier that will be share the border with our state Karnataka. Once again, here in the north, Maharashtra will be there. In the east, Andhra Pradesh will be there. In the south and southeast, Tamil Nadu will be there. In the southwest, Kerala will be there. In the west, Arabian Sea. In the northwest, here Goa state will be there. So the Karnataka state has shared its boundaries with any other states, and it is the land and water frontiers of our state Karnataka. Okay. And here, on the basis of an administrative purpose, here our state Karnataka was divided into 4 administrative divisions. The 4 administrative divisions are here, that is here Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belagavi and Kalaburgi. Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belagavi and Kalaburgi, they are the 4 administrative divisions are there. Among the 30 states here, the largest state in our among the 30 districts, the largest district in Karnataka, that is Belagavi, and the smallest district, that is named Bengaluru Urban. Bengaluru Urban is the smallest and the Belagavi is the largest district in our state Karnataka. So total districts are 30 and total taluk is 176, hoblis are 747, towns are 347 and villages are 27,481. Okay, so this is a geographical location and total area and administrative divisions and largest, smallest districts of Karnataka. So this is our state Karnataka and this is the location of our state Karnataka. Okay, understand? So this is our state Karnataka.